Hello again. It's been a while for me since the last video, but probably not too long for you guys since you've seen the last video. But here today to try. I've done quite a few projects. We've filmed a few of them. We've learned all along the way, and I think with all my new knowledge and with all my new knowledge, I figured I'd try to do some topography maps once again, or doing height maps pretty much. And so I've got that all set up right now. Right here, I just zeroed out everything. That's why we're still touching the material, but ready to go. And so I'm just gonna set you up, and I got a new position for the camera right now. I'm gonna see how that works, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, see you in a bit.